Hi, this is Brad Smith from BeerSmith.com, and this is an overview of some of the things you can do with BeerSmith 4. BeerSmith is a comprehensive tool for creating beer recipes, and it also now supports Mead, wine, cider, and seltzer. To create a recipe, you just open a new recipe and start adding ingredients. All the basic ingredients are preloaded, but you can select from over 100 add-ons for equipment, grains, hops, various yeast labs, and much more. Once you've built your recipe, you can run checks on it, and BeerSmith will offer suggestions on things you might have missed or ways to make it better. You can click on the Steps button to print out step-by-step instructions of how to brew the recipe you just created. There's a brew day timer built in so you don't miss on critical steps in your mash or boil. And as you brew, you can record key session data, fermentation notes, and much more. Once you're done, you can store your entire session in the brew log for future reference and clear out your recipe for the next batch. BeerSmith handles extract, partial mash, as well as all grain brewing, but it also lets you create detailed mead, cider, wine, and seltzer recipes, many of which can be made using the same equipment you use to make beer. Special tools are built in for calculating things like yeast nutrients for mead, sulfites for wine, and back sweetening your cider. In addition to the desktop version, we also have a web-based version of BeerSmith that you can access from any browser, even your phone or tablet. And BeerSmith 4 now includes both a cloud and local data storage mode, so you can use your web-based data from the desktop program and have one view of your data across all of your devices. BeerSmithRecipes.com also includes the largest collection of online recipes in the world, currently numbering some 2.1 million recipes. Tens of thousands of those are shared by other brewers, so you can easily search for recipes from within BeerSmith, download and scale those recipes to brew on your own system. BeerSmith has an integrated shopping list and inventory system to let you track your ingredients. BeerSmith also has dozens of tools and calculators so you can perform quick unit conversions, brewing calculations on the fly, and make adjustments to your favorite beverage. You can customize just about everything in BeerSmith, including your equipment profiles, ingredient, units, and much more. BeerSmith also has advanced tools for home and professional brewers, including yeast pitch calculators, water chemistry matching, mash pH adjustment, and much more. In fact, BeerSmith is used professionally by thousands of craft breweries to brew commercial beer around the world. And finally, after over 22 years, we've built a huge community of tens of thousands of users who can support you using the BeerSmith forum, YouTube, social media, and other outlets. I encourage you to check out our video tutorials, blog, podcast, discussion forum, and much more linked in at BeerSmith.com, as well as our recipe site and web-based version of BeerSmith at BeerSmithRecipes.com.